Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a quick look at something from T10 or Tech 10 Tactical. And what this is a combination kit for their Swinger Sopmod stock, part of their modular operator system series. Let's go ahead and get the kit out of the bag. And here you can see here a product card with an interesting uh, design there. And on the other side, a little bit of features that being described, picture of the item, and also some stock photography as well. But you can see here the available colors, a little bit of barcode scan information, flag logo, and also note this note right here as well is important. But a little bit on description on the other included parts here. This is the Swinger sling mount, which is also sold separately but included in this combination kit. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other components. They do supply it in the kit in a B5 enhanced stock, as mentioned here, the type that is compatible with. You can actually see here, this stock does have QD mounts already. And compared to, say, the original model, which does not have a built-in QD socket, but can be modified, say, with aftermarket ones. This one just happens to be from Midwest Industries. But notice too here, the empty location normally on a B5 stock has actually been filled by a T10 component, which adds this socket location for a QD point. So this is QD compatible and still gives you access to, these storage tubes here. So if we go ahead and look at the last piece here, the T10 Swinger sling mount also has this little product card and a little bit of feature description here. Again, for use with the B5 enhanced Sopmod insert, which is this piece right here. And then you have a QD attachment, a large push button. You can see it's in this housing here. And this one is nitride coated. Can be used with slings up to 1¼ inches wide. Constructed from steel and allows effortless motion for side shoulder to weak side shoulder transitions. Allows your sling to pivot up to 200 degrees. So if we actually put in here, you can see it does rotate quite a ways. And you can see here how this then also gives you that little bit of also direction movement as well. So, and just give you an idea that this in itself can be used with any other QD socket locations. You can see it actually fits in the ones that come normally with the enhanced B5 stock. So a little bit larger than, say, other style of QD attachments, because now we have this swing pivot area as opposed to just the button being attached to the swivel itself. But this enables a larger degree of motion at this insert attachment point here. But just taking a quick look at the components included with the T10 Swinger Sopmod stock, and this is a combination kit that included the stock itself, the Sopmod insert for QDs, and here is the T10 Swinger Sling Mount. So multi part kit as part of the modular operator system from T10 Tactical, or T10. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.